Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2013 Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, power windows, fog lights. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.